The cryptocurrency market is going through the roof. Now, everyone is very excited, and while all of this is going on, Shitoshi Kusama chooses to drop a huge secret. Some very important parts of how the Shiba Inu environment works now might change because of this. It's getting way too easy to use Shibarium now. But how does this help us set new dog prices records? What does Vitalik Buterin's new fix have to do with it? Okay, let me explain. Nota Bene, Shiba Inu, and the whole crypto space are having a big day today. Shiba Inu has made an amazing comeback in just 24 hours with trade volume rising by an impressive $4 trillion. The amounts are really strange. This return is especially exciting because trade activity dropped not long ago. A lot of people in the community were worried, but this surge is exactly what they were looking for. It's clear that everyone is very excited about this means for the future of Shiba Inus. This change is also very important. October hasn't really lived up to its reputation as a bullish month for the coin market as a whole. Market instability has made it hard to see steady price growth for Bitcoin and most other cryptocurrencies. But Shiba Inu seems ready to do something unexpected with only a few days left in October. Shiba Inus have gained over $200 million in market value in just 24 hours. A huge 29 increase. Shiba Inu has started to rise again after falling for a week and has now gone up by 10. What's really interesting is that market experts think this coin could hit new heights if it can keep going strong through November. Reports say that Shiba Inu is getting closer to a possible golden cross, which could mean that prices will go up a lot. This update goes well with the tweet that Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu team, made not long ago. She was upset about what experts were saying and said, "I'm tired of experts and their predictions. Can regular people win?" She wants normal people who have invested in a good token to be able to do well without the help of bigger players in the market. Also, I think Lucy's tweet fits in well with how excited the Shiba Inu community is right now. It shows a desire for real success that isn't just about manipulating the market or listening to what experts say. Like, she's speaking up for the regular people who invest money and believe in Shiba Inu, saying that they should have a chance to gain from their decisions. The focus on group speed and the hope for a better future in the crypto space is a nice change of pace. But what's really crazy is that Shiba Inus aren't the only ones on the rise. Bitcoin prices are also going up a lot. The first cryptocurrency is getting closer to its all-time high, which it hit on March 1, 2024, when Bitcoin spot ETFs were all the rage. There are only 2 days left in the month. So many people think Bitcoin will soon set a new all-time high. Analysts are positive about November, which is often called Moonvember, and has a history of big gains for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This is an interesting point of view, and Shiba Inu will definitely gain if Bitcoin keeps going up. In general, investors feel better when the Bitcoin market is going up, getting people to notice other coins like the Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu can grow right now because people are excited about them and ready to put money into them. If Bitcoin goes through big changes, it might help Shiba Inu and other alternative currencies become more popular. That being said, this is only the beginning. Into the blog said on X that almost all Bitcoin users are making money right now. This is a big sign that people trust the market. While a lot of people are already getting benefits, Bitcoin fan Samson Ma said the real action hasn't even started yet. This is what I call crazy. This kind of mood makes things look even better for the bulls. When a lot of holders are making money, it makes people feel safe, which leads to more investments. It's possible that people will buy and hold even more if they think there's still room for big growth. This excitement can cause a huge rise in demand, which drives up prices. The mood in the crypto space is getting better as both Bitcoin and Shiba Inus are becoming more popular. Some people are very excited, especially about the Shiba Inu. But why is everyone so happy? It looks like Shytoshi Kusama and the main Shiba Inu team are the ones who are excited. They just said that an F3 bridge function will be added to Shibarium, which is their layer 2 scaling solution. This makes it easy for users to input and withdraw NFTs. They said that crypto users only need to click a few times to move their Ethereum based NFTs to Shibarium. The goal of this new function is to make it easier to trade, use, and show NFTs in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This change sounds great, but it has caused a lot of disagreement in the Shiba Inu community. This makes a lot of people wonder why NFs are getting so much attention, especially since the hype around them seems to have died down a while ago. People aren't interested in NFTs as much as they used to be, so it seems odd to talk about them now. It does seem like an odd time to push for an NFT future since there has been a lot of talk lately about other parts of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin's rise. People are surprised by it, especially since they don't talk about NFTs as much as they used to. As an example, everyone was talking about digital art and souvenirs when FT was at its peak. Many people now think the market has calmed down. Some people aren't sure if this change will really catch on or if it's just a step ahead of its time. Now, though things start to get interesting, Lucy saw this situation from a very important point of view. In her tweet, she asked if Nithis would come back, pointing out that people are interested in them again, but that the focus is moving from flashy profile pictures to more useful uses. She talks about how NFTs are being used in new ways, especially in games, and she thinks that NFTs in games can make players really own things like skins, awards, and in game items. Items don't just sit in a player's account, they can trade or sell them. This gives gamers a real sense of ownership over digital items that they haven't had before. Think about a player who has worked hard to get a rare sword or a one of a kind character skin and wants to sell it. Players will find the game much more interesting because they can trade and own things. Lucy also says that NFT groups may be smaller now, but they care more about real benefits like having access to special events or having unique game items than just how rare something is. Less and less is about showing off what you have and more about how useful those things are. This change could help bring in a more committed group of people who really believe in what NFTs can do. And I really believe Lucy's point of view is right on. It seems to mean that NFTs are still around. They're changing into something more important. With NFTs becoming a normal part of digital life, games could be a big part of this change. As games keep adding these assets, they might get more users who like the usefulness and sense of ownership that NFTs offer. Lucy also told the Shiba Inu group some exciting news while Shibarium was getting better. She talked about a coming strategy upgrade that would be especially helpful for people who own Shiboshi NFTs. He said that big things are coming for Shibasha is on Shibarium, which made everyone very excited. Lucy said that people who own Shiboshi can expect these NFTs to become more useful by adding new features and jobs. This is great news because it will give holders more value and give people more ways to interact with the Shiba Inu community. She also said that people who own Shiboshi would be able to attend special events and get special prizes. This would give them chances to earn money and meet other people in the community. The team's attention on making the Shiboshi experience better shows that they want to create a lively and interesting place to work.